Hello everybody, it's Joe. Today is Tuesday, July 21st, and I am out in front of Asa Adams. Looks a little different, huh? Just wanted to show you what's been going on since the last couple weeks started the construction. So obviously there used to be a carport here. There is no carport anymore. That will be new building soon enough. Here is a courtyard. What used to be, the cedar trees are gone. Flagpole's been taken down. The Asa Adams sign is in storage. We lost all our hedges and flowers, but we'll get some more. Right now I am standing under what used to be the carport. So big change is on the way. Pretty soon we'll have a building there. I can't wait. Let's take a look inside. Here we are outside of the old office. Also looks quite different, huh? Let's go inside and see what's changed. Whoa, everything's gone. This will be classrooms in the new building once that is all set in a couple of years. We're going to walk through this little middle passageway into what was the principal's office. Mr. Ackerman used to sit there. You can see we've taken out pretty much everything. We come out of the principal's office. Let's go in and see what Mrs. Martin is doing. Nothing, because there's nothing in here either. The nurse's room is empty. We can walk through the old bathroom area into Mrs. Earhart's office. And look, she left such a mess. Just kidding. This also will be part of the new classroom. Coming up soon, we'll have another update as progress continues to move on. Have a good day.
Hey everyone, this is Sarah Pickens. I'm out behind the high school, middle school gym actually, showing you kind of the work that's getting started with the construction project. You can see we're working on the new parking area that's going to be one of the first elements done back behind the high school to get ready for fall. So they've made a lot of great progress on that this week. And they've just got construction fencing up. Not a lot else has happened in this building. A lot's been happening down at Asa. I know you're going to learn about that in another video. You may also be able to see just over the fence, the little red building beyond the tractors and the fencing. We moved the press box over to that area from the field. So we've used the top part of the press box as a new little concessions area there. So things are happening. It's exciting here. More to come.